I don't think you do.
I don't think you have to.
Ben, this is a metal roof that's going on here, right?
Yeah.
So we ain't putting no ice sheet or any of that stuff under here?
I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't see any in there.
If I had to go, I'd put ice and snow shield down if I saw that.
Especially up here.
But
Well, I guess we need confirmation.
Yeah.
depending on what they have set up.
And have. All right, I'll get a hold of Mike and see if we can get clarification on that. We can still demo up to one level. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'm guessing just clear this roof now, and we get clarification, or should we just let them run up the?
Like split. Not a hole, but
Actually, it's a separate piece, isn't it?
like, but
It
it's
is.
not stable.
Yeah.
I don't know what to call that.
Stand right in the middle. Let's find out.
Is it just in between joists where it's at?
It is. Yeah.
This part seems fine.
I've seen spongier.
I think it'll be fine once we get metal roof down, as long as it's not rotten.
That roof and stream
doesn't
side
look rotten.
should have gone through. And no bees.
Oh, there. Is that rotten right there?
Maybe
Yeah.
right here.
I think it's just loose in the joist, but yeah, no, that's I
Oh,
got it.
that looks like the
It's a piece.
scab.
It's a scab. Yeah. But it is loose in some spots. That's where water will lie.
4 foot? Yeah, 4 foot. Once you put
Bye.
the face, whatever it's called. Face, right? Sure.
TMI.
Together?
Once you put that other board on. Yeah, once you put the board on. Only a couple of these, you really gotta.
At least they didn't take it out on me.
Did I tell you 6 inches on this side or 6 inches on the other side?
Between all the chaos and confusion, I lost track. Hey there, Wagon Master.
Hey, how you doing? So who takes? Are you prepared to take a picture?